This session will teach you how to add doctors to MyOPD beds software. The doctors added using this method will show up in the admission section while admitting patient. That is, patients can be admitted against the doctors added in this section. Now let's understand how to add the doctor details. Enter the details like first name, last name and so on. Select the applicable practice. If the practice of the doctor is not found, select consulting physician or general physician and contact support for further guidance. Enter professional degree like MBBS, MD or BAMS, MD or MS, General Surgeon etc. Then enter the medical registration number of the doctor. Add title of the doctor under Display Title section. In title you can enter things like Consulting Family Physician and Pediatrician, Assistant Professor at University etc. If this doctor is going to operate the software, that is, if the doctor is going to enter prescription in OPD by typing, select Allow Login. If the doctor is just a visiting doctor and not going to operate the software, no need to select this option. Use Set Doctor Fees option to add the fees of doctor. These are visit fees for an admitted patient. Different doctor fees for IPD can be set against different types of beds. Different charges can be set for regular visits and emergency visits. The doctor's share option allows you to define the percentage of visit fees that will remain with the doctor. The rest will be with the hospital. You can define the percentage that will remain with the doctor, like 100%, 50% and so on. MyOPD calculates doctor fees to be paid to visiting doctors for the month based on the number of visits done and the percentages set here. After entering all the details, click Save. That brings us to the end of session for managing doctors in MyOPD beds hospital software. Thank you.